If you've ever turned off Wi-Fi on your iPhone and then noticed later it just turned back on by itself, you're not crazy. That's actually how Apple designed it. But don't worry, I'll show you how to permanently turn it off so it doesn't reconnect again. So first, most people turn off Wi-Fi from the control center. You swipe down from the top right and tap the Wi-Fi icon. Looks like it's off, right? But here's the problem. Your iPhone is only temporarily disconnecting from Wi-Fi, not actually turning it off. That's why it automatically turns back on later. Now here's how to fix it properly. Go to your Settings app, tap on Wi-Fi. Now if you're connected to a network, tap the little eye icon next to it. You'll see something called Auto Join. Turn that off. This stops your iPhone from automatically reconnecting to that specific Wi-Fi network. But if you want to completely disable Wi-Fi, go back and just toggle Wi-Fi off right here in Settings. Now when you swipe down into Control Center, you'll see the Wi-Fi icon has a line through it. That means it's fully off and won't turn back on by itself. And that's it. Problem solved. If this helped you out, drop a like and I'll see you in the next one.